I'm the voice, and this is the Blocknet tutorial video on how to install the Bootstrap on a Windows system with an existing wallet install. The first thing you want to do is make sure your wallet is closed, and then go to your web browser. Go to www.blocknet.co. Then in the top center section of the site, you'll see the developers link. Click the developers link, and then click GitHub. From there, as you scroll down a little bit, you'll see there's the pinned repositories. In the pinned repository, you want to look for and find the Blocknet blockchain Bootstrap. Now it's going to bring you to a page where it's going to talk about the Bootstrap and have instructions. It'll have instructions if you've never run the wallet. However, this is a current running install that we're going to need to use the Bootstrap with. You may be having sync issues. So let's go ahead and download our Bootstrap files. Depending upon your connection, it may take a few minutes to do so. I'm going to save this file to my desktop to make it easy. And you'll see here your time will depend based upon your internet connection. Now, once this is done, we're going to go ahead and close our web browser. And then you'll see we've got our blocknetdx.zip, and we'll move this here to our center section. If we right-click on this, you'll get the option to extract all. And we're going to go ahead and extract this right to our desktop so we know where everything is. And this will take just a few seconds also. Now let's take a look at the files in there. So you'll see the different directories we're going to move into our Blocknet data directory that we're going to restore or repair here. And you'll see in there we have two directories called blocks and chainstate. Now we're going to leave this open. We're going to go to our search bar and we're going to back up our current Blocknet data directory so we preserve and protect our assets. So we're going to go in here, we're going to type in %, AppData, that's AppData, and then end that with the %. So in your local disk, wherever you have it installed, users, the voice, in my case, AppData Roaming, you're going to back up this directory so we protect and preserve our assets. So highlight that, click your Home tab, and then go on over to your Copy To. We're going to copy this, copy it to a location you want. I'm going to copy mine simply to my documents. Once I have this moved there, I know no matter what I do, I'm protected and preserved at this point. So all of my assets are safe. So I'm going to go ahead and enter into my directory, and I'm going to clean things out. Now, there's going to be specific directories you want to keep. You're always going to want to keep your backup directory, and then you'll always want to make sure you preserve your wallet.dat. So both of those are related. If you look in your backups, it's got copies of your wallet.dat. So we're going to make sure we don't mess with that one, but we are going to take our blocks all the way down to our, if you have the .lock there, you're going to take that out. Now your files in here may look a little bit different, but go ahead and make them look exactly like what we're doing here. Take our budget down to our peers, and then we'll take out xrouter. So now you should have a total of 5 assets or 5 items in your users, in my case, the voice, whatever yours is, AppData Roaming, blocknetdx. So you'll have backups, you'll have blocknetdx.conf, servicenode.conf, wallet.dat, and xbridge. Now we'll just very simply click to go back to the directory where we extracted everything. We're going to copy over our blocks and our chainstate directories. So I'm just going to go ahead and click copy, click anywhere on the white space, and move those in. Now we don't need to have either of these windows open anymore. We're just going to go ahead and close. Let's go ahead and open up our Blocknet wallet. And you'll see as the Blocknet wallet loads, it's going to start sorting the data in those 2 folders. Loading block index. It'll take, depending upon, again, the speed of your system, could be 5, 10 seconds, could be 30 seconds or more. Mine takes about 10-15 seconds, and you'll see that it's going to pop up here, and I will start to begin to sync and receive peers. And there we go. It's starting the xbridge service. And you see from this Bootstrap, this is a new Bootstrap. This is only 3 days behind. And this will start moving as soon as I receive a peer. And so once my peer is connected, this will start moving down. And that's all you need to do a Bootstrap resync with the Blocknet wallet. Thank you so much for watching. If you've got any questions, of course, you can visit with us in Discord. You can also visit with us in Telegram, and of course, always on the website, www.blocknet.co.